Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. Finally, it's been 2 weeks, I've been gone. Where have I been? I've been working flat out. I work at a retail store, we haven't got any staff and I've just been covering everybody's shifts, so I've been fairly flat knacker. Today though, we are tasting the Blueberry Cider made by Mangrove Jacks and I'm looking forward to trying this one. It's been ready, I'm just doing an all grain. That's up to temperature. I have to leave that now for 10 minutes, so hang on. It's not quite up to temperature yet. Anyway, I'm doing all grain. It's probably going to be in a future video if I put it in, I'm not sure. I haven't been doing my all grain videos yet lately, so I just haven't done it. But it may be up in the future. Today, of course, we are doing our Blueberry Cider. It doesn't look blue, it looks sort of reddish. It's got a fair bit of good carbonation in there, it's just nice. It's been in the fridge for 2 weeks now, all ready to go. I'll give you a close-up there. Look at my glass. Guys, that's Beer Co sent that to me after I ordered this all-grain kit from them, and it's quite good of them. I've got an all-grain stout. It's got vanilla in it, it's got cinnamon. It's going to bloody be beautiful, I tell you. Anyway, let's tell you about this one. Alright, it's got the natural apple cider smell. Fairly dry smelling. Got a blueberry hint. But not much of a hint, if you get what I mean. Sorry about the noise out there. Hang on, I might be able to quieten it out. Someone's doing some massive work somewhere around here and it's bloody noisy. Hang on. Yeah, I don't think that made a difference. Okay, let's taste this, shall we? Oh, wow, the carbonation's just right. Wow, actually this tastes really good. You guys out there have been telling me that these are great and they're the go-to kits. I do say the Mangrove Jacks ones, apple cider especially, are awesome. I haven't had a problem with any of them. This one needs probably another week to age. It's got a little bit of how would you call, what would you call it? No, it's got a dusty. No, not dusty. It's got a new brew. Hang on. Yeah, it's mashing out now. It's got a new brew flavour to it, which means that it just needs to sit for another week or two just to get that aging and to get rid of that sulphurish sort of flavour in there. But other than that, I put half a packet of sweetener in it, so it's much better for me. And the flavour, I can really taste that blueberry. Not so much smell it, but I can really taste it. The apple is coming through too, so that's really awesome. So I brewed this, would be nearly 3 weeks ago. I put it into a keg. I had it in my main fridge in my shed for a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at 2 degrees. And then I dragged it out and put it into my kegerator and added more gas to it. And it's just perfect now. It's really nice. It isn't, look, it is clear. I don't know if it's super clear, but I mean it's clear. I mean, can you see my hand behind there? It's not bad at all. That light doesn't really help. Yeah, but the flavour is just so quenching. It's going to sit in my keg for 6 months. I'll drink that over time and enjoy. So just to let you guys know, I'm heading off to Echuca this week or next week, and I'm going to do some videos there, so hopefully you'll enjoy that and get a bit of a different scenery in the Australian Murray, so you might see a bit of me talking crap like usual, but I'm getting out and about. And I'm also travelling over to Bali. Yeah, it's not something I want to do. I'm actually forced to do this, so I'm going over there and I'll just make the most of it. I'm not a big Bali fan. We've got enough Aussies over there causing a ruckus. I don't want to add to that. I just want to be there. I'll probably stay at the resort mostly. Maybe wander around and do a few beer tastings. Maybe visit a bar or something like that while I'm filming. We'll see how that goes. And I'm also doing a new series, a second series of Brewers Brew Sheds, or Brewers Breweries. And we've got some pretty big breweries or brewers on board at the moment. I've got 5 different brewers ready to go. They're all international, mostly Canadian American. And I want to see Aussies. You guys are not brave enough. Come on, get out there, get your video camera out, film your brewery and just send them to me. I'm happy to edit them for you. That's no problem. You don't have to talk on it either. I can do that as well. If you want to give me a list of everything you do and have, and ideas you have, that'd be great. Just give me something. I'm really disappointed that I've only seen mostly Americans out there, or Canadians and Americans. There's no Aussies. Come on, guys. What are you doing? We need Aussies. Aussies! Anyway, this is my drink. This is actually quite nice. I'm working on a Beer Co's, what they call it, oatmeal, Uncle Toby's oatmeal stout. It's got cinnamon and vanilla in it, and it smells awesome. I'm in the middle of brewing it, and what I'm smelling is coffee. It's like a coffee shop in here, and the smell of it is just beautiful. And it is going quite well. We're on a mash out at the moment. It's 10 minutes for mash out. And I thought I'd quickly say hello to you guys, let you know what's going on, and hopefully you'll get to see the all grain that I'm doing in the next few videos are coming up. We have a few. Cheers guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thank you to my Patreon members for looking after this channel like usual, and thank you for my YouTube members for additionally looking after Simple Homebrew and making it possible for me to be able to do these beers and drinks. You guys are awesome. You absolutely are. You're supporting this channel and helping other brewers at the same time. Thank you very much. Guys, have another one and have a great day. See ya.